This is Wojciech V, and I haven't made a video in a while, and just wanted to do one again because and what you're probably thinking, what are we going to play today? Today we are gonna play where is it? Don't press the button. And guys, yes, we are going to be playing every single one of them. No, I'm not. I'm gonna play it. Don't press the button 2, don't press the button 3, don't press the button 4, don't press... I don't know. Just let's play the first one. Okay. Okay, nice music. Okay. What the fuck? I just joined. Okay. Let's go. What? Blue platform. Go! Oh my. Wait, guys, actually, you know what? Let's join into the biggest server. No. Okay. Let's join into the biggest server. What is happening? Biggest server. 8 out of 8 people max. Guys, I'll just hit you. I'll just get you guys when when someone leaves. Okay, so yeah, see ya. Guys, it's been loading for quite a while now. And yeah, still not here. Guys, I'm waiting for so long now. And still, no one has yet joined. I mean, left. Why the fuck? Guys, this is taking a long time. Guys, I don't think it's gonna be finished. I don't think someone's ever gonna leave. So let's just join a random server. I just boom, press the button, joining server. Oh, something's happening. What? What the? Oh, come on, noobs. What? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that was close. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, I'm moving the screen. Oh, come on. That was not an amazing score. What? Okay. There's a tsunami coming, I guess. What? Guys, I'm stuck. Help! Okay, I'm not gonna get there in time. Oh! I made it! I can't believe I made it. Let's see what's in the shot. What? Wait, no. Oh, there's the bot. Guys, I'm good at soccer in real life. I'm super good at soccer. Yeah, but I'm not that good in Roblox. spam click. What again? Why is no one pressing? What you want? Yeah, probably less. 80. Oh my. Yep. Good, perfect, Mum. What? What the? Oh, this is like Squid Game. Yeah. Guys, let's buy as many things as we can. Throwable pie. And this. No, I only have 10 coins. Throwable pie. Go, okay. I don't care. Oh, you lucky. Do I? What do I do? What? Yes. Guys, I'm so trash. I was so trash, I didn't know how to activate. Duckies. Where are the duckies? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm getting this ducky. What? No? Okay. I'm getting this ducky. Okay. Getting that ducky. I'm oh, duck. No, the duck. Oh, duck has unfortunately fell. I'm getting that. Ugh. I'm getting. No, no. I'll come. Wait, what does that say? I can't believe anyone baked. What? What? Dodgeball! Let's go. I'm good at this. Kind of good at. No. Okay, I'm not good. What? I'm the only one. Okay. I had to confirm that I'm trash at dodgeball. I missed it. Don't pull it. No. No. Clicked it. What? Get it off. Okay, no, you don't have to run. No, you don't have to. What are you doing? Leave it. It'll push up by itself. Oh, wait. What? Wait, no. Boom, boom, and the yeet, and the boom. Whoa. What the? Oh. And the yeet, and the chicken, and the boom, and the bonk, 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 bonk. Guys, I'm trying to get more than, I don't know, more. Just, I'm trying to beat Maya Visa in subscribers. Maya Visa. How do you spell it? It's MAJAWIZA. What? What's happening? Okay. It's what? A snowball fight. I'm dead. Oh, fuck. Get the diamond. Run, run, get her. Why is it going from the Oh my. What the? I just want to rage. I'll get you. You know what? I hate everyone. That's what you get. A pie in the face. What? No. I'm in first person. What? Where am I? Oh, I caught one. Get the blue one. Yellow. Get the yellow one. Okay. Back. I can't get any of them because I was in first person. Yeah, I am going in first person. What? Speed one. Where? Where does it start? Okay. 50. Guys, I'm trash at speedruns. No matter what, I'm not gonna beat the speedrun. Because I'm literally gonna fail at it sometime. I'm not gonna complete this. I never completed this in my life. Because I'm trash at this speedrun. Yeah, this is the part where I'm always stuck at. Where's my wings? Plus speed coil. And what? Why it not working? Okay, I ain't making it in 11 seconds. Trying my best. 5, 4, nah, 2, 1. What? Get in the Oh! Oh my! Can't believe I did that. What? Spinning cube. What? What's spinning cube? Oh, okay, okay. Okay, this is what it is. I don't know where to go. Okay. No, 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 no. I almost flipping died. What? Okay, here. Go. What? Was it? Okay. Go on. No, no. I can't believe I survived that. Oh, button. No, that's a victory royale. What? Lava! Wait, and it's rising. Oh, fuck. Guys, I told you. I'm trash. Stop it. It's the Chinese thing. Who wants a face pie? What the I'm going. I don't care what to say. I'm going. Because, you know, the noob's got to eat something, right? Because the noob is not allowed to eat humans. And that's why I jumped off this slide. You don't want to go into noob's mouth. No! Okay, speedrun. Let's do this. Speedrun. No one even pressed the button. Okay. What happened? Look at me. I'm skinny. And I got a pie. Skinny pie. Oh, yes. Bubble wrap. The best thing in the world. Bubble wrap. Now screw this. Guys, wait. Oh no, come on, what was it? Come here, seeker. Where's the seeker? I have no idea where the seeker is. Try not to get found. I would never get found if it's me. I'm a pro. What the fuck? Guys, wait a second. Guys, I think I'm gonna be ending the episode here. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up. And yeah, leave a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Remember, we're trying to beat Maya Visa, MAJAWRZA. We're trying to beat her, so bye. See you in the next episode, and I guess, yeah, bye. I mean,